Hello everybody. Do you guys remember this thing? It's the Black Zone that I printed these indestructible control arms for. I did some more modifications on it. So what I did is install these adjustable links on it, and I installed a HyperGo diff on it. Look how big that cup is. It works quite well. Also installed the HyperGo spur gear in here, the original one, that soft one. I had a problem with the video where I did all this because I recorded it with my action cam. I recorded it with this thing. You all know this. The voice control was on this thing. As soon as you say something that even sounds like stop, then it stops recording. So now I'm recording. So now I say stock battery. Look at that. It just stops recording. So while I was doing those modifications on the other car, this thing stopped recording. But yeah, I would like to show you guys what's inside here, but I'm not going to open it. But I took some crawler wheels. I put on some crawler wheels here. I just glued them. They are foamed. I'll put the link in the description. I did put it in other videos description. And the normal, that's a stock motor that will cause my camera to stop recording. And then I'll put in a 3-cell ESC. So this thing, it's a beast. It can go everywhere. It's almost a crawler. I ordered a 50-turn brushed motor for it as well. I'll put that in and make another video just to give it some more bottom power. But I think it's a 50 or a 30, but yeah, it's like a between a crawler and a basher motor that I ordered. I'll just take this one out and show you guys. Look how crazy it is. All that grip. Have to cut the body a bit. Look at that. It's insane. Have you ever seen that? Looks like a frog. With all that grip, it doesn't need that much to make a wheelie. It's like jumping all over the place. Look at that. Oh gosh. I think it's an extreme bolt. Just have to cut the body. Look at that. It's like a leaper, frog leaper, and it's green. Wonder if it can do a standing backflip. Think it will do a standing backflip? Almost. Nah. Just lifts up for nothing. See if it can go on the kids' track. I think it's a clever idea to try and drive it on the pool. Oh my word. Nah. Look at that. A little frog.